I will review DEWALT 20V Max SDS Rotary Hammer Drill, Cordless, 3 application modes. Bare tool only about this. Cordless hammer drill has 2.1 joules of impact energy for fast drilling in concrete. Shock's active vibration control system of DEWALT 20V hammer drill reduces vibration felt by the user at the handles, compared to rotary hammers without this feature. Lightweight design makes this DEWALT 20V brushless hammer drill ideal for rod hanging, seismic and safety attachments, cable tray and strut mounting, clamp mounting, and rail mounting. OSHA Table 1 compliant when paired with DWH303DH onboard extractor. Brushless motor and durable German-engineered mechanism for efficient performance and runtime. Rotating dial to set tool to a specific applicaiton mode, drill, hammer drill, or chip. Thanks for watching. Get best price and discount from link in description. See you next video.